Good morning, students. The topic for today is speed, distance, and time. This topic is very much related to our everyday life. So, we have to be masters of calculations with speed, distance, and time. The learning objectives are by the end of this lesson, students will have improved their knowledge to work with speed, distance, and time problems, received more practice in changing the units, acquired another insight into reading distance time graphs. Normally, in the UAE roads, you might have seen the speed limits displaced. On the highways, it is a different one. Inside the city, it is a different one. So how do we solve and find speed, time or distance? There are three formulas for speed, distance and time. The first one is speed is equal to distance upon time. Time is equal to distance upon speed and distance is equal to speed multiplied with time. Hope you remember how we learned it with the help of a triangle. Yes, DST. A windsurfer traveled 28 kilometers in 4 hours. Calculate his speed. So when speed is missing, the formula for speed will be distance upon time. Substitute the values for distance and time and you will get the answer as 7. Remember to write the correct unit, kilometer per hour. 7 kilometer per hour was his speed. A salesman travelled at an average speed of 50 km per hour for 2 hours. How far did he travel? Here the question is asking to find the distance. When the distance is missing, the formula will be speed multiplied with time. Substitute the values for speed and time and you will get the answer 100 kilometers. Here, since distance is asked, the unit will be kilometers. He travelled 100 kilometers. A train travels 200 miles at an average speed of 20 miles per hour. How long did the journey take? How long means they are asking for the time taken for the journey. When the time is missing, the formula is distance upon speed. Substitute the values and you will get the answer 10 hours. Unit of time are minutes, seconds and hours. But when the distance and speed are in corresponding units like miles per hour and miles, our answer will be in hours. It took 10 hours. How to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour? Remember, 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 upon 18 meter per second and 1 meter per second is equal to 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour. We have done a lot of questions with the conversion of speed, and while converting time, you already know minutes to hours and hours to minutes, or minutes to seconds or seconds to minutes. Now the distance time graph. We have plotted many distance time graphs. Since this is a recap lesson, let's quickly have a recap. Where is the time shown on the x-axis and distance on the y-axis? The journey started at 9 o'clock and ended at 14:00. And in between 11 to 12, you can see the graph is a steady straight line where they stopped for some time. They were at rest. And maximum distance from home is 60 kilometers. The speed of the journey of each part can be calculated by dividing distance by the time taken. Now, after completing the worksheet attached, you must do the plenary. Try to figure out which are the difficulties you faced or where you are getting the answers easily. Thank you.